bonjour. Bienvenue à Unité 5, leçon 14, section C et D, pages 211 à 213. La préposition chez. Note the use of chez in the following sentences. Paul est chez Céline. Paul is at Celine's house. Je dîne chez un copain. I am having dinner at a friend's home. Nathalie va chez Juliette. Nathalie is going to Juliette's apartment. Tu vas chez ta cousine. You are going to your cousin's place. The French equivalent of to or at someone's house or home is the construction chez plus the person. Chez Béatrice, chez ma cousine, etc. Note the interrogative expression, chez qui? Chez qui vas-tu? To whose house are you going? The language note, chez also means at the office of. For example, je vais chez le docteur. Be sure to see that the word chez means to or at someone's place. The preposition à is never used with chez. All right? An example, chez Antoine, at Antoine's restaurant. Okay, so number 8, numéro 8, en vacances. When we are on vacation, we often like to visit friends and relatives. Say where the following people are going. Claire, Marc. Claire va, using the verb aller, va chez Marc. Weekend. On weekends, we often like to visit friends and do things together. Say how the following people are spending Sunday afternoon. Cécile, jouer au ping-pong, Robert. All right? So notice we're going to conjugate the verb jouer to go with Cécile. Cécile joue au ping-pong chez Robert. In your workbook, please do page 129, C4. Très, très facile. La construction aller plus infinitive of section D. The following sentences describe what people are going to do. Note how the verb aller is used to describe these future events. Nathalie va nager. Nathalie is going to swim. Paul et Marc vont jouer au tennis. Paul and Marc are going to play tennis. Nous allons rester à la maison. We are going to stay home. Je vais aller en ville. I am going to go downtown. To express the near future, the French use the construction of a present tense form of aller plus an infinitive. In negative sentences, the construction is subject plus ne plus present of aller plus pas plus infinitive. So we have Sylvie ne va pas écouter le concert avec nous. Note the interrogative forms. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? What are you going to do? Quand est-ce que vous allez rentrer? When are you going to come back? Language comparison. To talk about future plans and intentions, French and English frequently use similar verbs, such as aller, to be going to. In your workbook, on page 130, please do exercises D5 and 6 following the directions. Tourisme. Say where the following people are going this summer and what they are going to visit. For example, Monique à Paris, le Louvre. Notice we're using aller here. Monique va à Paris. She goes to Paris. Elle va visiter le Louvre. She is going to visit the Louvre. All right? So try to practice these on your own. And here's a little something for you. Whose eye is in the advert for the Carte Musée? If you email me the correct answer, you will get 5 bonus points on your next quiz. A little cultural note, the Colosseum, La Colisée, right here, is a large stadium built by the Romans, and obviously it is in Rome. The Vieux Carré, in number 4, is part of the French Quarter known for its jazz clubs and its picturesque old buildings with wrought iron balconies, in the French style, of course, in New Orleans. And historically, Kyoto was the capital of Japan. One can still visit the many Buddhist temples there as well as the Emperor's Palace. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Ask your classmates if they are going to do the following things this weekend. For example, étudier. Est-ce que tu vas étudier? And you would answer, oui, je vais étudier, or non, je ne vais pas étudier. Okay? Descriptions. Choose a person from column A. Say where the person is, what she has, or what she is going to do. Use the verbs être, avoir, and aller with the phrases in columns B, C, and D. For example, Monique est en ville. Elle, which is Monique, a un vélo. Elle, still Monique, va, aller, faire une promenade. Okay? So here you picked a subject, made sure the verbs matched the subject, and used all of these elements too. Very cool to make up lots of sentences. By the way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is what? 13 words? Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, prononciation, les semi-voyelles, w, y. In French, the semi-vowels, w and y, are pronounced very quickly, almost like consonants. So répétez, oui, oui, chouette, chouette, Louise, Louise. You also have moi, moi, toi, toi, pourquoi, pourquoi, voiture, voiture, and loin, loin. Chouette, la voiture de Louise n'est pas loin. And then the y sound that comes very quickly. For example, bien, bien, chien, chien, radio, radio, piano, piano, Pierre, Pierre, Daniel, Daniel, violon, violon, pied, pied, étudiant, étudiant. Pierre écoute la radio avec Daniel. Hopefully you will have done all of your homework, and this will help you be prepared for section C and D. Thank you. Au revoir.